welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an apartment tour for you guys. If you didn't know, I live in a basement apartment, so it's a little bit dreary down here since there's not much sunlight that gets in, but maybe that's interesting if you're ever curious as to what a basement apartment kind of looks like. Also, I wanted to mention that I never really got this apartment the way I wanted it to be, but alas, I just don't have the money and I don't really see myself doing much differently to it before I move out of my apartment. So I just figured, hey, even though it's not perfect and it's not exactly how I want it, I might as well just show you guys. It's not super exciting in terms of like the layout in here and like the finishes and all of that jazz. But hopefully, if you guys also live in a similar kind of setting as I do, you can get some inspiration. If you're also into the more darkly inclined Gothy style. And without further ado, let's begin this apartment tour. Yay!
First, I thought we'd start out with my living room since it's the first thing you see when you walk in. Here's a general overview of it. Here is the rug that's on my floor. It is from IKEA, featuring my wonderful cat slipper. Moving on to this ottoman thing, I got this from Target. I really want to reupholster it, but never have gone around to it, so it's just teal for now. On my couch is a Society 6 blanket and 2 Society 6 pillows. If I can find that stuff, I'll link it down below. And moving on to my most favorite thing that I own, which is this couch. I got this couch off of Craigslist in Wyoming at a thrift store. I love the attention to detail that it has. I wish things were made so carefully now as I made them back then, but alas, that's not how today's stuff works. Nothing's hand carved anymore. Sad day. So this is the bat tapestry I also got from Society 6 that you see featured in many of my videos. Moving on to this little display thing, I got the main black part from IKEA. Above the display area, I have these awesome bat purple lights that I got from Target ages ago. And hanging in the middle of the bat lights is this wreath that I made in one of my DIY videos. So woohoo! Along with that wreath, I made this little witchy cauldron type thing. I just stuck some flowers and a feather in it because I thought it looked kind of cool with it. Then I also made this in a DIY video a long time ago, and I stuck a picture of us in the Tower of Terror, which is no longer in California. Boo-hoo. I got these gargoyle candelabras from the Haunted Mansion. I like how they're subtly Disney, but if you don't know the Haunted Mansion, then you wouldn't know it's Disney. Down below, I have this little beetle guy I got from the Denver Oddities and Expo thing. Someone give him a name. He needs a name, I think. And that is a giant scratch on the IKEA thing. My god. Need to buff that out or something. I have this coffin thing I got from Michael's that I showed in a video. I have this spooky sign from Target. This marble vase is from Target featuring some wonderful dead flowers. I love dead flowers. I don't know if anyone else likes some dead flowers, but I think they look beautiful. My second little gargoyle guy holding some purple candles as well. I love them, featuring some awful, not very aesthetic looking cat litter in the background. Wonderful. Then I made that little coffin jewelry holder, and then going on to the first bay cabinet thingy, I don't know what to call this. We have a skull candle I got from Target, and it's inside this cloche, I still don't know how to say that, that I also got from Target. I have a amethyst jib back here, and I have these Halloween tarot cards since, I don't know, they look cool, I like them. I have this mug that I just keep on here because I like how it looks on the to the right of it, if I can talk. I have this, again, another DIY thing I made. I had it holding a tarot card because I thought it looked kind of cool doing that. And then behind it I have my Harry Potter wand and this tea thing that I painted at a Celebrity Mind studio, so woohoo. Next one is very boring. It's just a Edgar Allan Poe poetry book and then papers that you need to look at. I have my most favorite shoes displayed because I think they need to be displayed. They have little spiders inside them, and then on the top is some spider webs. I love these shoes. They deserve their own little spot, so that's why I put them there. Down below is where I keep all of my DIY stuff that I don't really know where to put, so I just keep it in that little gray bin. Then to the left of that, I have this thing from World Market's little lantern. And then I have a glass that's also from World Market. That was from Morocco, I think. And then a Sherlock book. I just thought the brown matched with all the red theme going on in this little bay. Anyways, the next bin is ones full of DVDs and Wii games. I have the original Wii because I'm too cheap to buy a more updated console, but hey, the Wii's still fun. No one knocked the Wii. To the left of that, I have some rocks, minerals, and fossils. This is a malachite egg, pyrite, and orthoceras, in case you are curious. I really do like how this display area looks. I like how I've arranged everything, aside from a couple things here and there, but overall pretty happy with that area. To the left of it, not so happy with this. There's a rocking chair, a dead plant, which aren't mine. They were part of the apartment when I moved in, but I did buy this pillow. I bought this pillow from World Market during Halloween time last year. I love it. It kind of reminds me of Sherlock. Then to the left of that, there's this TV and TV console center. It also was here when I moved in. I have my Wii, some Wii games. Who wants to play Super Smash Bros? I call Pikachu. Then I have this little holder thingy holding some extra bits and bobs. This fortune teller fake book, another Sherlock Holmes book, and then some board games that we could all play together one day. I don't know. Then to the left of that, you see some ugly cords. That looks so bad. This is Edgar's chair, which is why there's so much orange fur on it. No matter what I do, I can't keep up with all the fur he sheds on this blanket, so oh well. Here is my guitar. It's my electric guitar, obviously. I love putting stickers on it. It makes it pretty unique in my own. So you can see I have just abused it with stickers because I thought it looked a lot cooler than just the plain slick black. And behind it, there's a little pumpkin. It's Edgar's little toy, so let me show you it. Isn't this the most adorable cat toy you've ever seen? Oh my god. Fuck yeah. Cat toy. Then I have my amp, which I need to buy a new cord for because I lost it, so I can't play on it, which is super sad. Then I have my acoustic guitar, so I can play that. Go me. And I have this little display area above it. I made this dream catcher a long time ago. I meant to do a DIY video with it, but I never did. I just made it, and then that's where it was. This is a Smashing Pumpkins CD. I thought it looked cool, so I hung it up. This is from a Tibetan shop in Denver. I like Tibetan things, what can I say? This is just from Michael's. I painted it black and added some roses and stuff. Thought it looked cool there. I don't know. This is a picture that I got off of Urban Outfitters. I like it because it's kind of dark but also romantic because they're underwater holding hands. So I liked it. So I bought it. Here I have this Ollivander's box. I don't know why this is so out of focus here, but it's an Ollivander's box that I got from Harry Potter World. Have this fake lavender hanging upside down, and then this really cool picture I got from a thrift store in Florida. Wow, I don't know why I couldn't think of the name Florida yet there. I thought it looked really, really awesome. Like how it's like medieval looking, so I got it. And then from a different thrift store in that same area of Florida, I got this really cool antique mirror. Here's my cat. Oh, so cute. He's super close to the camera. He's playing with his mouse. Good job. Good job, buddy. Moving on to this very, very tiny kitchen. Did I emphasize the word small enough for you? It works for me, but I don't know how any more than one person could fit in here at a time. I bought this bat tea towel thing from Home Goods. I love it. On the top of my range thing, I have the genie, an oven mitt, and a glow-in-the-dark girl. I don't know why I had those there, but they made me happy to look at while I was cooking. Here are some awesome magnets that I have. My favorite one is this Disneyland one because it's vintage and I like it. Got a little hamburger. The magnet on that is pathetic. A little Hollywood magnet holding a picture of me and some friends. A little turtle. I like having this list here so I know what I need to buy from the store. And to the left of my oven range thing, I have this tea towel from London I got from Epcot. Then the most useful thing I have in my kitchen, which is this tea kettle I got from Target a long time ago. I make tea in it every day. This apartment came with the sketchiest microwave I've ever seen in my life. Like, how does that fucking happen to the microwave? I don't know. But above it, there's random stuff like a toaster, a mushu mug, and bread. Salt and pepper. I didn't know where else to put these, so they're just there. And then I have this really embarrassing old photo of me, my friend Hillary, and Rebecca from high school. Then to the left of the sink, I have this Haunted Mansion mug, some cookbooks that I rarely ever use, sadly. And then this R my mom bought me, and then this drop it like it's hot tea bag. Yeah, I thought it was funny. And then I just have this dish rack, drying rack thing I got from IKEA. These are all the cabinets that I have, not too many. And then here's the Like, I thought it was a frickin' dishwasher, but it's not. It's another fridge. Why do I need 2 fridges? I don't know. Here's this lamp that came with the apartment. I don't like it, but whatever. Then I have this bat pot that I made in another DIY video. It's holding up some dried up hydrangeas. I have this printer that I can never seem to get to work on top of this little Target table from Target. Did you get that? It has some of Edgar's random crap, and then this is the coffin corkboard that I'm using to hold my Disney pins that I made in a DIY video again. I also made this heart garland, and then here's my Christmas tree. I refuse to take it down. I like having it up. It makes me happy to look at, so I'll take it down when I am good and ready to take it down. I still have some presents down there that I need to give to friends. Friends, hang out with me, please, so I can give you your presents. And maybe I'll take the tree down once it happens. Here's the entrance to my apartment. This is where I hang my purse and coat. It's easy to access when I'm going out the door. Then to the right of that, I didn't really know what to put here, so I just kind of put this stuff. This is a kimono from Target, and then I have some necklaces hanging from it. I got this one from Regal Rose, this one from the Denver Oddities and Expo thing, this one also from Regal Rose, and then this hat was from Target. Then I also have this key holder, which I also made in a DIY video. Behind it, I put this dollar store bat headband because I thought it looked cute behind it. I don't know, could be crazy. Then I have my keys hanging from the key holders. I have my longboard. It's a one from Roxy. It has a seahorse in the back of it. It looks really cool. I went through a big surfing phase like Roxy Herrrro stuff, but it doesn't really go with me now. Then on this wall, I have a Motionless in White poster that I got in October of 2017 when I went to their concert in Colorado Springs. I put some other stuff in here as well, just to commemorate the awesome time I had there. Then here are some random necklaces that I didn't know where else to put, a picture of a girl that I got when I went to Egypt in high school, some more random necklaces that I didn't want to get all tangled, so I just hung them up here. Then we move on to my bathroom. Not too much to say about this bathroom. I have a really nerdy / old periodic table of elements shower curtain. I have this very stained washcloth that I got stained from dyeing my hair so many times, but I do have this very, very cute Kiki's Livery Service makeup bag. I think Gigi is the cutest thing ever. This is a perfume bottle I got from Hobby Lobby, and then this little henna hand I got from Urban Outfitters a long time ago to hold all my rings, just to keep them all organized, kind of. And I have this little catch-all dish that I also got from Urban Outfitters with a billion bobby pins. So many goddamn bobby pins. And then I just have my stuff that I need to reach on the daily on the right of it just for easy access. And everything else that I don't really need on the daily, like my makeup and stuff, I just have organized in these little bins. I got my Mr. Potato Head I got from Walt Disney World back in high school. I love dressing them up in different outfits because I'm a nerd like that. Whatever. Apologies for this terrible transition, but we are actually in my bedroom now. My bedroom is probably my least favorite part of my apartment. I don't really like how it's decorated, but it's just a hodgepodge of extra things that I've had, and I don't really want to give away, but it doesn't really match my style anymore. But here's this nightstand that came with the apartment. It's not mine. On top of it, I have this lavender lemonade candle. It smells delicious. I have this Smashing Pumpkins vinyl wooden case. I have an A that matches the R in the kitchen, something like that my mom gave me. My cute little waving kitty I got from the Japan section at Epcot, a Ramune soda I also got from the Japan section at Epcot, some random pens and pencils, and then I have this mini tree that I keep all of my random ornaments that don't really match my main tree out in the living room. They're just my nerdy Disney ones and stuff like that. Here is my bed area. Above my bed I have these Himalayan prayer flags. I really like these, and around them I hung up these little twinkle lights that I got from IKEA. My favorite thing about this bedroom now is my bedspread. I got this one recently from IKEA. I really like how it looks kind of witchy and scientific, if that makes sense. And the pink in the comforter bedspread matches my sheets that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. They have this really pretty lace detail, and they also match these pillows that I got from Target, so everything goes pretty cohesively together. And then I also like how the pillowcases also feature this very, very, very pretty lace. Above my bed I have this blanket that I got from Urban Outfitters. I probably am going to give this away, but it's just above my bed for something to put above it. This ugly ass table also is something that was already at this apartment. I'm going to drink some water. Oh yeah, keep hydrated, folks. I got this Buddha board where if you dip the the brush and write with it, it writes, but then obviously once it dries it goes away, so it's kind of cool. Here's my random sketchbook that I have on the table. A drawing, sneak peek, woohoo. Then just some other random stuff. I really don't like how the walls are green in here. Like, why did they pick this color? I don't understand why this green color. Meh. Over here is just like a fucking mess. Look at all those cords down there. My god, people would be cringing right now, I'm sure. Here are some 2 random DVDs that I forgot to put away. We got The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, The Wolf of Wall Street, both great movies. Highly recommend both of those. Those cords, my god. Look away from those. Here is my laptop and my TV. This is just random stuff that I have in here. It's a catch-all dish for me. I got this one from San Francisco. I really like little chubby kitties in them. I got this from a thrift store in Colorado. It's holding, again, some dried flowers because I do enjoy some dried flowers. I have this Totoro calendar that my friend got me. I have not changed the date. It's not really December 31st when I'm filming this. Then on the corner of my TV, I don't know why I put this here, but it's my Minnie Mouse Santa hat. I don't know, I just feel like putting it there. To the right of that, I have this picture of some sailboats that I also got when I went to Egypt. Then hanging to the corners of this map, I have 2 Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse Disney ears that I got from Walt Disney World and Disneyland. I have this map that I was trying to put these pins into to show where I've been, but this wall is so hard to push pins into that I gave up and only put one in. So we have returned back to the beginning. We have returned back to my cat slipper and this IKEA rug, so that concludes this apartment tour.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that apartment tour and it gave you some inspiration on how you can decorate your apartment, even if it's not quite your dream apartment or dream home, but how you can still make it your own and surround yourself with things that make you happy and that express your own personality. As you saw in this video, a lot of stuff are DIYs that I made, so I did point that out in the video. So if you are interested in making any of those, I'll make sure to link all of them in the wonderful world of the description below. I hope you guys are having an awesome, beautiful start to your 2018 and everything is going smoothly. You got some cool New Year's resolutions going on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.